Hi, this is Rosalind from the AIER Environmental Protection. The year 2025 marks the 20th anniversary of AIER. For 2 decades, AIER has upheld our core value of professionalism, quality, and service. Over the past year, we have completed several major projects across multiple industries. For the plastic industry, in the chemical industry, in the food industry, in tire manufacturing, lithium and advanced materials industry. This year, we took even greater steps towards brand elevation and international expansion. Destination is approved from China to Colombia to Malaysia, heading to Australia for the shipment to Vietnam, South America. In 2025, our team has become stronger and more united. I will continue to advance environmental technologies and bring China's environmental engineering excellence to a world stage. Thank you to our clients, partners, and every member of the AIER team. Cheers to Illumina's 2026, powered by partnership and commitment.